To turn off, reduce transparency and blur to improve visual experience in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Swipe down to the top of the screen. And then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility. And then tap vision enhancement. Scroll down the screen. And then tap the blur on option next to reduce transparency and blur until the switch turns gray to turn it off. When this option is off, your phone will not reduce visual effect on some apps that use blur or transparent background and effect. So you can get a better visual experience by having the default visual effects that come with this app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.